Howdy guys, I'm jumping on super quick because what arrived in the mail. I got my box late last week, so I'm super excited for the CFA Craftathon 2025. If you haven't got tickets, make sure you book now, and I'll put a link in the description below. It's all about celebration of Cricut. Thank you to Cricut, our beautiful sponsors of this event. We bring it to you every year. I've been online since the big you-know-what. And it's just a great day to get together with other crafty colleagues, or friends I should say, and have some fun and, as I say, just celebrate all things Cricut. It's a fun day, it's very, very relaxed. We've got live tutorials, you get access to an exclusive group that Natalie and I are in, and we can offer you all sorts of advice, and we'll offer you lots of great advice, but so will the other team members as well, the other people in the group. They are fantastic. It's a real community. You won't be out of place. Open to Australians only. Ticket price, again, click that link below. It'll give you everything you need to know. It'll tell you what blanks, what things you need to supply as well at home before you even purchase your ticket. Once you get your ticket though, this is what's going to arrive on your doorstep. So let's have a look and see what's inside. Let me know in the comments if you've been to a Cricut Craftathon before, or CFA Craftathon before. What did you think? What I love about it is about the cute surprise, which we're going to learn about shortly. Right, so look, absolutely packed with goodies, way above the value of the box. Sorry, your ticket price. And I should say, if I didn't already, lots of fabulous prizes to give away as well. We're like the Oprah of Cricut on this day. Just give away, give away, give away. So we have a theme as well, which is Cricut-mas this year. So make sure you dress up, or if you want to decorate as well. Who knows, maybe there'll be a prize for that too. So first up in my box, I have the Smart Label vinyl, which is permanent and it's gold, and this is stunning. I'm going to show you actually what it looks like. This is so beautiful, and I can say it actually goes through your printer really well also. Really fun to make different projects with. I've actually done the golden ticket. In fact, it doesn't even do it justice. Can't really see how gold it is, but it's beautiful. And I think there's 4 sheets in there, and that will fit the Cricut Joy, and of course you can fit the other smart machines as well if you go around the different direction, or you can even run it through a printer like I mentioned, or you can just put it on a mat, which a lot of us will be doing on the day. I should mention as well, we've got some projects that we've already pre-designed. You can change those if you like, it's up to you, or you can follow along exactly as we have done. And then on the day, we'll put those all together, which is really, really cool. All right, what else? Ooh, I have now, some of your items I should say as well may differ from mine, but for the most part they'll be the same. We've got the iron-on, and this is a UV activated, and I'll show you on the pack. Where is it? Oh, so you can see it sort of starts out like a greyish colour, see there? And then when it's UV hits it, it goes lovely bright and yellow. So that's really, really cool. So there you go. You get a roll of that as well, which is, again, this is iron-on, so heat transfer vinyl. And you get 1 sheet, and it's 30 centimeters by 48 centimeters, so awesome. Then we also get we've got the color change vinyl and permanent, and this is a heat activated one. So again, you can see it's a beautiful teal color, and then when it's heat activated, it goes purple or vice versa, and then obviously it changes back when it's cooled down. So we've got another sheet of that, and that's 30 centimeters by 60 centimeters, so a little bit bigger than the other one. You're also getting some of the strong bond as well, and I think there'll be some alternatives, maybe this one, I can't recall, but this is the everyday iron-on strong bond. So it's guaranteed for a certain amount of washes as well, but you're getting this is the everyday sampler, and there's 3 sheets, and you get the red, the white and the black. Hello, they're staples, right? And especially at Christmas time, hello red, definitely very Christmassy. Then we have some infusible ink, and this one is, let's see, the bright light's in the way. Try and get it to its, there we go, Cricut Infusible Ink. And this is, which one is this? What's the name of it? I always get this wrong. It's one of the watercolors, and it's green watercolor, I think. So there you go. But that's a really fun project as well. So you're getting a little Joy size package of that, as well as a Joy size package of transfer tape. Now, what's really good about this is small in height, but let me tell you, it is very long. It is 6 meters long, and that's just perfect. Think of all those little decals that you do. How handy is that? Super, super cool. So we've got that as well, which is really great. So it's transfer tape. There's still more. What do we think so far? Let me know in the comments. Save that to last. We also, spoiler alert, maybe one of the projects is to do with a mug. So we've got the Cricut mug here. It's the larger one, I think, yep. and that's going to get used on the day as well. So that's included in your box. You also get, don't do that, you also get a pack of the cutaway cards. Now these are the, which ones are these? I know they're the S40 size because they're the square. I can't remember what they are, but anyway, it's got these beautiful holographic inserts. I'll show you actually, if I can open it without, I can show you what they look like, because they're really cool. They're kind of like a matte finish, but they just give a really cool sheen and a really cool effect on your cutaway cards. So that's included as well. And now there are 14 cards with envelopes and inserts in this pack. And for the actual cards themselves, you've got sort of a pale blue, a pink, and a green there as well. So awesome. Thank you very much, Cricut, for those. Those are to the side. Pick up my box off the floor. Oh gosh, still coming. You're also going to get a set of these beautiful Brights pens. Now these ones are for the Maker machines, or not for the Joy machines, but you can still use them for other things. And they are the Bright pack. I'm just checking the size. I'm not needing glasses. I'll try it here. Let's have a look here. So these are compatible. Oh, sorry, these are for the Cricut Joy. Oh no, not the Cricut Joy. No, so I was right. And what size are they? I think they're fine point. They are fine point. I'm going to check if they're the. Yeah, so the 0.4mm. Yep, so fine point. Beautiful colours, gorgeous. Loving those. Maybe we'll be using those in the project. Can't even remember. Anyway, then hello. Beautiful Christmas gold. I've got this, and again, some of your items may differ, but this is 33 centimeters by, wait for it, 3.6 meters of smart vinyl, permanent vinyl. So if you've got smart machines or a Cricut Maker, the Explore 3, Makers, you can use this in there, or you could cut it down as well, use it in the Joy or in your Extra as well. But fabulous color and permanent vinyl as well. All right, so great for those Christmas projects, and heaps of that there. I use all the metallics all the time. It's pretty much my go-to, and I love those sort of matte, that sort of matte finish as well. Although some of the sparkles are cute too. And lucky last, and it's flown the coop, but this is what we're all about, right? This is why we come to the CFA Craftathon. It's all about this guy. Let's have a look. This is a Cricut Cutie, and here he. Oh, look, I don't have this one. Oh my god, how cute is that? I don't actually have this one. Isn't he cute? Look, he's got a little silver antennae and hands. Oh my god, gorgeous. Beautiful colour. And yours may differ from mine. Absolutely love that. So that's the colour is this one. It's a platinum blue, and I don't have him. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh, do I? No. Yay, expanding the family. That's what we all cover, because yeah, it's hard getting down under, and pretty much Craftathon is really one of the only times you can do that. Yes, so we've got the Cricut Cutie. We've got the vinyl, the gold writable. So again, pens that work on this. Got permanent vinyl in the heat activated, so the teal to the purple, and we've got the iron-on or HTV in the UV activated. Goes from the grey to the yellow. We've got our green watercolor ink. We've got our strong bond with the 3 sheets of the black, white, and red. We've got our huge roll of permanent vinyl in the gold. We've got our pens and the Brights, and we've got our transfer tape, and our cards, and our mug, and did I forget anything? And that's it. Hope to see you there on the day. Don't miss out. Please order soon, because we've got to get these packages out to you. They'll be delivered to you in the post. Send you tracking and everything like that. Let us know if you've got any comments or questions. And yeah, if you've joined previous years, let everyone know as well what you thought of it, how wonderful it was, and we just have the best fun on the day. Now that my box is open, I need to make some videos, because that's part of it too. With Facebook group, we some pre-cutting videos for you, so that we make sure you're all organised, and you've got 2 weeks to do that. So we want to see you there, 13th of September. Don't be a square. All right. Bye everyone. See ya.